Assalamu alaikum. How are you everyone? I hope all of you are good. Ramazan Mubarak. Now today I'm going to share my camp activities that really I'm using with my camp kids, because the small kids, it's very important that we will do activities and engage them with different kind of fun, so they will learn and they will be happy. So right now I'm going to share my maths activities. I hope these activities you will like and you will try to apply on your kids and also with your students. Now let's start. In the first activity, I will show you my number 3. In this number 3, they will count and they will use number, they will recognize the numbers. So I will show you which kind of material we need for this activity. For these activities, we need one sketch of tree. I made this sketch on the foamic sheet. You can see this one. And also I will use this cardboard for the stamp. We need cutter. We need pom-pom, one peg. And also for this activity, I need this number strips. This number strip we will use, they will see the number and they will count the pom-pom and they will put this pom-pom on the tree. Now we will start this activity. First of all, you need this strip. You can make this on the computer and you can take a printout, and after this you can laminate the paper. It is very important you should laminate the paper, so in this way you can use this activity for 1 year, even 2 years, and it's like a one-time effort and you can use this one. So I just put this one like this, okay? Now the second thing, in the stem I will make 2 cuts in the stem like this. Okay, now I will paste my tree with the glue gun on with the stem like this. Now our tree is ready. You can see this is ready now. Now the next step is I will put this strip inside the stem like this. You can see like this. So this is inside. So any number you can show them and they can count. Now the next step is they will, like, there is a number 4. So what you need to do now, you will tell your student to count the 4 pom-pom, like 1, 2, 3, and 4. In this way you can see they can recognize the number and also they will count the number, so they know how to count the number. So this is very easy way. They will learn with the fun and they will enjoy. I hope you will like these activities, and inshallah I will show my all activities that will help you if you want to start your camp in your home, or you want to do as a teacher. So try to these kind of things with your students. So make teaching like a fun, like a play. It's good for the student, also for you. So now you can see my tree is ready. So I will use this one in my camp, and inshallah when I will use these activities I will show you one by one, and hopefully you will enjoy all of these activities. Thank you. Now I'm going to make my second activity for the greater and less than number. For this activity we will use crocodile, because it's concept that if we will use the crocodile mouth for these activities, it's very good for the kids. So when we want to show them the greater than or the less than number, we will try to use this kind of activities. So in this activity, first of all I will tell you which material we need. For this activity we need this printout. I make printout for the crocodile face, one for the right side and one for the left side. Now for the second step we need white rubber sheet. I already make the cuts for the teeth. So we will make with this white rubber sheet, and we use this one for the teeth of the crocodile. And also we need the googly eyes. I will make two activities, one for this one and the second one with the sticks activities. In this activity, we will show them what is the greater number and what is the less number. You already know that we will use the open mouth of the crocodile for the greater number. So for this, if we want to show them to student, we can tell them, okay, you can see the crocodile, he wants to eat the big number. So he will always open the mouth. So if you will see this symbol, that's mean that we will put the big number there. First of all, I will make crocodile teeth. So I will make the shape of the teeth and I cut this rubber sheet. I will paste these teeth on the crocodile mouth. I will use the glue gun. I will add the eyes. So our one crocodile is ready. So how can we use this one? We can put on the table and we will ask the student. We will show them two cards, like I will show them these two cards, one number 2 and one number 6. So I will put this card there and I will ask them, okay, which number the crocodile he wants to eat? And you can tell them, oh, you know, the crocodile is always eating the big number. So the 6 is bigger, so we will put here and number 2 will be here. So in this way, the student, they will understand the crocodile will eat the big number. If I can show you, okay. Now I'm going to start my second activities. I already make one. I use this one. If you can see, this is the ice cream stick, popsicles, and I put the two eyes here. I make these lines with the marker and also I put the teeth. So you can see I made these two sticks. So this we can use for the equal number. So you can see I will put here like this, if you can see, okay. So this sign will show the equal. Now I will make the larger and smaller number on the same way. So I already made the lines on the two sticks. In front of me I will make, I'm using these two popsicles. So on these popsicles I am going to make the lines to just give them image of the crocodile like this, okay. Again I will use glue gun, one for the right side and one for the left side. Time to make the eyes. Now I'm going to make the teeth like this. So it's already done like this. Equal, greater than and less than. You can use like this, okay. Now today in my last activity I will share with you cookies jar. In cookies jar, actually it's very interesting and yummy activity for the small kids because you know they like the cookies. So we will put the choco chips on the cookies, they will count and they will match with the numbers. So for this activity, which kind of material you need, I will tell you right now. So for this activity, first of all, you need one cardboard. I make this jar shape on the cardboard. And I will also use this rubber sheet. This foaming sheet, I make the same sketch match with this cardboard. Also we will use these cookies. This is the rubber sheet, and also I make the circle shape for this activity. We need this one. With this we will make the small circles like this, and we will put these circles on the cookies to show them this is choco chips. If you have a brown color, it's very good. I don't have a brown color, so I'm using the black one. For the jar, you can use any color, it's up to you. For this activities also we need this kind of number cards. I make these number cards in the circle shape so we can match with the cookies. Now let's start this activity. First, I will paste this foaming sheet on cardboard to give them support. I paste this foaming sheet on the cardboard. Now I will put the cookies. Now time to put the choco chips on the cookies. Now our cookies jars is ready. Now how can we use this activity? I will use these cards, okay, with the students. They will count the cookies and they will put the cards like 1, 2, 3, 4. So they need to match with the number 4 like this. Okay, 1, 2. So where is number 2? Yeah, they will match with number 2. I hope you will enjoy these activities. In this way, it's very easy for the small kids. They will learn and easily they know how to count the numbers. Thank you.
Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you.